You don't like the lights, but it's camera time. Said take the picture, but you rolled your eyes. Now I'm mortified and still terrorized. Push me.
Open your PicsArt app, then create new project.
I wanna push you back, but that's all you want. Wanna rub me up, I'm holding back. Trying to get me framed, throw me in cuffs.
Choose any photo that you want to edit.
Just a false truth. No need.
Press the tools icon and select the crop. Choose the size 3 to 4 for the poster.
Anywhere I try to be alone, I find you there. There's more to me. Everywhere I try to.
Click Filters, Artistic Oil Painting 10B and WSLVR3.
You'll follow me. Anywhere I try to be alone, I find you there. Oh, there's more to me. Anywhere I try to be alone, I find you there. I find you there.
And then, click the erase icon at the top. Add your photo, resize it, and add white border.
I'm so scared to leave my house, so I cannot run.
Click the text icon and enter your name. Choose any font you want and follow the video.
Need to live a different life, cause lights and cameras are in it. Trying to find a silver lining. All I wanna do is avoid the violence. But you're here again, I'm losing it. There's no more script.
Make the text black and just put white stroke.
I hate the fame, no more of that. Leave me alone or I'll collapse. I need a break, don't feel the crowd. You'll follow me anywhere I try to be alone. I'll find you there. There's more to me. Everywhere I try to go alone, I'll find you there. Yeah, yeah.
Then, click the blend icon and select the word screen. Duplicate the text. Click the icon in the upper part next to the erase icon. And select the blend icon again and choose the multiply to make the text black. Click the erase icon and erase the text covered by your body. And the next steps are based solely on your preference, like adding stickers and text. Don't forget to like this video and click the subscribe button. Thank you.